there's a huge chance that you will still make mistakes. Because making mistakes can be a pattern. So, ibig sabihin, instead na manisi ka sa ibang tao, i-accept mo, and then, since may acceptance na tayo, you can then recognize the patterns and ask yourself, saan galing yung decisions natin? Saan galing yung mistakes? Bakit tayo pa ulit-ulit nagkakamali? Is it a past trauma na hanggang ngayon di natin malimutan? Hanggang ngayon hawak-hawak natin? Is it fear? Dahil natatakot tayo subconsciously, nasasabotahin natin yung magagandang bagay sa buhay natin. Is it a wrong belief? Yes, and the thing is, kung saan man tayo nagkakamali, remember that results won't lie. Meaning, if you keep losing money, you have a problem with your money beliefs. Or maybe you have fear around money, or how to handle money. Or maybe you have past issues around money. Baka nag-away kayo ni pera, at hanggang ngayon, hindi mo pa siya napapatawad. So hanggang ngayon, hindi ka nilalapitan ni pera. And the worst is, we have a poor self-image. Kaya tayo nagkakamali ng decisions, mababa kasi yung tingin natin sa sarili natin.